Contacts 3.0 is a major upgrade designed to eliminate tab switching and centralize everything related to a person in one place. Before, managing a tenant, homeowner, or realtor meant jumping between modules, properties, invoices, maintenance, documents, tasks. Now, everything lives inside a single, unified contact overview page. From one screen, you can view and manage that contact's properties, applications, documents, maintenance requests, tasks, invoices, and activity history without navigating away. Each section includes an Actions drop-down, so you can create or modify items directly from the contact profile. You can even send custom emails right from the contact page. The new right-side drawer design allows you to view and edit details seamlessly without losing context. Search is smarter with auto-suggestions. Contacts are alphabetically sorted, and status tags are clearer and more visually distinct. We've also improved usability. Long names no longer overflow, navigation behavior is smoother, and workflows like creating tasks or maintenance requests are cleaner and more intuitive. Contacts 3.0 turns your contact page into a true operational hub, giving property managers faster access, fewer clicks, and complete visibility in one centralized view.